Hey you guys. Oh shit. Hey you guys, it's Kiskity Beauty. I'm here with a video on how to get this very cotton candy unicornish type of look. This is a wig that I actually made last year for my 21st birthday. And you know, I went out today and I just figured why not record the look on it. So I'm gonna show you guys what I used to get this eye look and yeah, how I got ready. So thank you so much for all your support and please stay tuned. Okay beauties, so first and foremost I'm going to use the Too Faced palette from, I believe, Sephora. I got it as a Christmas present one year. And the first color I'm going to use is Belle Femme. And I'm going to use this in the outer corner of my eye. I'm going to use this kind of as the smoke out color. I don't really like my eyeshadow to be too bright. So I'm going to use this to kind of, you know, tone it down a bit. Now the second color I'm going to use is Stardust, and I'm going to use this as the base color for the hot pink that I'm going to use coming up. Now here I'm going to use the color Space Out, and this is the Fenty Beauty Galaxy palette. Now I'm going to take Space Out and I'm going to put it in the inner corners of my eye. I'm not making it too perfect because later on I'm going to blend it out further. But here I'm using a sponge eyeshadow brush to kind of make those colors very vibrant on my eyelids. Now here you see me turning to see which side the color is on, the blue or the pink, and I'm just using that to kind of pull each color into the next so it'll fade in better and look more gradient. Here I'll be using the Fenty Beauty Fly Liner to create my wing. If you'd like to see something closer and more in depth on my wing technique, you can look at my previous video for the makeup routine for dark skinned girls. I'll leave a link down below.
Decided to stay forever. Decided to stay forever. Forever.
Now here you'll see me take the Fenty Beauty Matchstick in the shade Suede, and I'm going to use this to contour. I'm going to put it underneath my eyes. I'm going to put it on my chin, above my lip, and my nose. Now I'm going to smooth it out to make sure it's well blended with my foundation. I don't want any harsh lines, you know, I don't want it to look too much lighter than my actual skin tone. You know, I just want to make sure that it brightens my face a bit. Now here you're going to see me take a smaller brush just to make sure that I have that highlight underneath my eye fully, and it's going to help bring out my wing, which will essentially help bring out my eyeshadow. Decided to stay forever. Now here you see me highlighting my eyebrows to give it that very fresh wax type of look. Now I'm really just taking off my scarf because my wig is set at this point, but I just want to make sure that my forehead isn't a different color from the rest of my face. Now this is me applying the mascara. I apply it to my upper and lower lashes. Now here you'll see me apply my highlighter to my Cupid's bow, my nose, and in the arches of my eyebrows. Okay, so for my final look, I actually wand curled my entire wig, and this is what I got. So if you guys would like a more detailed video on how I achieved this look, just let me know down below. Until next time, thank you guys so much for all the support, and please like, comment, subscribe, and share. Bye!